Right, morning guys. A bit of an announcement today is that we've actually started the beta testing now, so people have their logins and we're starting to iron out any issues that we may come across with Mealsy and do a bit of testing. I'm actually just going to do a bit of a showcase of one of the recipes today, so I'll show you just one of the recipes that we've got in Mealsy, so you can have a look at. Now this one here is just a simple apricot chicken with cauliflower rice. Obviously, it can be used for dinner or lunch. It's just chicken breast, some nectar, a little bit of French onion soup, dry mix, cauliflower rice, a big heap of vegetables, and some chicken stock just to cook the cauliflower rice in. That one is. So it makes 4 serves, and the serves are massive. So they're nearly 600 grams per serve. So it's a decent sized meal. We've got the method there for all of these. It's a pretty simple one to follow. There's not a lot involved in it, but it's less than 6 ingredients, so it's a nice simple one. It's low in sodium, which is great. The big thing is that it's actually really high in protein. So there's 41 grams of protein in this meal, but only 1,343 kilojoules. So for those that prefer calories, we're talking about 350 calories, probably a little bit less actually, 300 calories. And so, for the size of the meal to be that low in calories and still really high in protein, it's a pretty good meal to have. So yeah, it's a delicious one. We've made this one, and it's it doesn't take long to prepare. Our kids love this one. It's a nice, easy one, even for one of our fussy eaters. So this is one that we've put together, and we're going to start to showcase a few more of these from some of our other dietitians that have put recipes into Mealsy. So yeah, if you're interested, you can check Mealsy out and see what else we've got to offer. Thanks.